Hey guys, some quick notes, vocab terms on PowerPoint. I just have the one slide. I have 6 vocab terms that I'm going to go through, and we're actually in a PowerPoint, so I can, rather than like I did with the Excel notes, flip back and forth, I can just demonstrate in this file for the vocab terms I need to demonstrate. So I'm just going to go through these. The first term is slide. I think we all know what a PowerPoint slide is. It is a single page of a presentation in a slideshow, and we are looking at a slide right now that has these vocab terms on it. Second term is slideshow, and slideshow is a view that allows you to run your presentation and preview how it will look. So if you are presenting via PowerPoint, so you're using PowerPoint to present, generally you're going to want to do a slideshow. And a slideshow is just kind of a full screen and smoother presentation of your slides rather than the slide sorter view that we're looking at right now. So if you were to go ahead and click on the slideshow tab up on your top ribbon, and then over on the left, you can either start a slideshow from the beginning, which is what you would want to do if you're doing a presentation. But for purposes of demonstrating a slideshow, I'm just going to go ahead and go from current slide. So I'll go ahead and click that, and it switches to full screen view of the slide. And my current slideshow settings are to make the subtitle and the bullet points appear on click. So every time I click, the next one will appear. So that is the slideshow presentation of this slide. So we'll go ahead and get out of that. Slide sorter, which I referred to just a minute ago, is the view that displays miniature versions of each slide, and that's actually visible on the left of our screen going up and down. Where my mouse is the slide sorter view that we're in right now, and I can go ahead and click the different slides to easily go to them. So we're currently on slide 4 in our slide sorter view. Transitions is the next term. Transitions are effects that move one slide off the screen and the next slide on during a slideshow. So a transition is kind of a design feature. If you're putting together a presentation, you want it to look good. Often you'll use whatever transition appeals to you and works for that particular presentation. Let me go ahead and demonstrate a transition. So I guess I will go to slide 1, and if I go to transitions, I'll pick one. I guess wipe seems good. I'll go ahead and go to slide 2, and I'll just go ahead and start my, what am I doing? I'm going to start my slideshow. Go ahead and go from the beginning. And notice that effect that went across the screen just there was the wipe effect. So as this slide appears, it does that effect. So I can go ahead and click through the bullet points on this slide. And with my next click, it should transition to the next slide. That'll be slide 2, and the same effect will occur. There we go. And notice that it did not wipe upon switching to the next slide right there, because I didn't set that effect for slide 3. I only did for slide 1 and 2. Okay. All right, so that was transitions. Design template. Design template is a pre-designed background and format that you apply to all the slides. So to show some design templates that exist in PowerPoint, I'm going to go ahead and go to the Design tab, and you will notice these various themes across the ribbon here are different design templates. So if I were to select one, it reformats my slides according to the design template. So I can choose amongst these, or there are infinitely many more design templates available if you were to look online, or of course you can create your own. But these are just some examples of of different design templates. Okay. Last term is GIF. GIF. It is an acronym that stands for Graphics Interchange Format. This is an image format that allows one to create animations. So if you ever see different memes, different stickers, those types of things that have those brief little animations in them, those are generally GIFs. And they can be used in a PowerPoint presentation. And we will look at that in the PowerPoint unit next week.